everyone, and on this Feature Friday, because of the weather being so crazy here lately, I want to talk to you about last time you bought boots. So take a moment, look down at your feet. Just how trashed are those boots from all of this slush and salt that's on the roads and the parking lots? So if they look a little tattered, we have several different styles for you to choose from. We have some great ladies' shoes here in boots. Have some good riding tread, and on these icy last couple of days, it's exactly what you need. Help keep you upright and not on your back or bum. Some of the men's shoes down here, we have some easy slip-ons. They have, looks like they lace up, but they'll zip again, so for some easy on and off. If we do not have your size in stock, we'll be happy to order it. Usually we can have the boots within a week to 10 days, as long as it's not on back order. So, like I had mentioned, take a look at your boots, see how worn they look, and if they're a little on the tattered side, it's time to replace. And come in and see Kim and I here at Harley-Davidson here in St. Joseph. Thanks.